Great morning, everyone! Today we're here at Minami Residences and I'm going to show you our model house, Hana Quadruplex. The lot area is 80 square per meter and the floor area is 54 square per meter. So it is a good unit for your growing family. So Hana has a provision for 2-car garage. Yan. Pwede po tayo maglagay ng 2 sedan. So, malawak po yung ating garage. Yan. And let's go inside our model house. Yeah. So, samahan niyo ako dito sa loob ni Hana. We're here at the living area. Yan. So, by the way, guys, our model house is already modified and extended. Actually, 1.5 meters na po yung na-extend sa kanya. Yeah. So, this is our dining area. So, our dining area can fit up to 5 to 6 person. Yeah. So, your family will enjoy eating here. Yeah. So, this part naman is our entertainment area. So, pwede tayo maglagay ng TV and some decorations para sa ating living area. So, ito naman po yung ating first bathroom. Yan. So, as you can see, napaka-modern ng design. And ang maganda dyan is wall-to-wall na po yung ating tiles. Welcome to our kitchen area. So, this one is already modified by the unit owner. So, mas spacious na yung ating kitchen. Naka-modular cabinet na siya. And, tawag dito, meron na siyang exhaust and yung ating kalan. So, next is our service area. Ayan. So, dito, pwede kayong maglagay ng or gawin niyo siyang laundry area. And going na yan outside our car garage. Yeah, so ito naman po yung ating staircase. So, on this one naman, napamodified na siya and pinagawan siya ng glass instead of steel, plain na steel lang siya. So, stairs. And welcome to our master's bedroom. Yan, na napaka-spacious niya. And also, it's already modified and nadagdagan na nila ito ng at least 3 meter. Kaya mas malaki na siya from our actual turnover unit. So, this one also, ang maganda yung ating closet. Para na siyang walk-in closet kasi pa-slide na yung kayang door. Yan. Yan. And also, maganda sa ating turnover, ang ating unit is meron siyang room partition. Yan. And this is our second bedroom. Yan. For families na merong mga kids, yan. Pwede sila dito. And ang maganda, pwede pa kayo maglagay ng study table. Yan. Yan. Welcome to our third bedroom. So, our third bedroom is also extended like our master's bedroom. So, maganda dito, yan, for your kids, yan, pwede silang, meron silang corner dito. Yan, meron siyang 2 bedroom, meron siyang 2 beds. And also, pwede pa kayo maglagay ng study table. So, spacious for your kids. Pwede silang dito, mag-study and together. Yeah, and also we have our second toilet and bath. Yan. So para hindi na tayo mahirapan bumaba, meron na ring toilet and bath dito. Yan. So, before we go back to our ground floor, ito po yung ating staircase na may high ceiling ang effect niya. Yan. So, pwede kayo maglagay ng mga mirrors para mas maaliwalas siyang tingnan. And of course, pwede tayo maglagay ng pendant light. Yan. This is the end of our house tour for Hana Quadruplex, which is by the way located at Barangay Santiago along Arnaldo Highway. And guys, if you have more questions to ask, feel free to leave a comment on the comment section below or directly PM me. Thank you for watching. Bye! This is our last... Nakalimutan ko.